हेलो बच्चों। हम इस समय पढ़ रहे हैं मेथड ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन। और आज हम पढ़ेंगे डिफरेंशिएशन बाय यूजिंग लॉगरिदम। ओके। सो समटाइम्स आप जब क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे तो आप पाएंगे कि कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं, अगर उनमें हम लॉग ले लें तो क्वेश्चन हमारे डिफरेंशिएशन करने के लिए काफ़ी आसान हो जाते हैं, टफ नहीं होते हैं। ओके। और क्वेश्चन किस टाइप के होते हैं, लेट्स डिस्कस दैट। Suppose that you have a function of this type, that is y is equal to fx to the power gx. And how to solve this kind of question? Because you don't have any formula to solve this kind of question. So let's take the log both side. And when you take log, this will become log y gx log fx. Okay. And now you can differentiate like first function and second function. Okay. So it is going to be, let's differentiate it. So log is 1 by y and y is going to be dy by dx is equal to, let's differentiate it, and that is going to be g dash x log fx plus gx into 1 by fx and f dash x. Okay. So this is going to be the differentiation. If you want, you can write like this also, dy by dx y of this whole thing. Okay. And what is that? That is y of this whole thing, g dash x log fx plus gx fx divided by f dash x. Okay. So I suggest you that you should not remember this in your mind, but keep one thing in your mind. You can remember like this, y and d of dx of gx log fx. Okay. So this is going to be comparatively better for you, so please keep this in your mind. So dy by dx is going to be fx to the power gx d of dy dx of gx log fx. Okay. So please keep these things in your mind. Okay. And if you have these things in your mind, it's going to be good for you. Now let's take some problem based on this, and you get to know that what is the basically use of this while solving the problem. First problem is y equal to sin x to the power log cos x. Sin x to the power log cos x. Now we have to differentiate it. So how to differentiate? Let's take the log, and you take the log and then differentiate. It's going to be very lengthy. Okay. So I just suggest you that if you want to solve it in shortcuts, just use this one. Okay. Just use this formula here and you get to know the answer. And if you keep this in your mind, it's a really will help you to get the answer within the 30 second. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to y. Okay. What is this? Fx power gx means the same thing. So which means sin x to the power log cos x d of dy dx of log cos x, and this is the sin x. Okay. So log, and that's going to log sin x, log sin x, log sin x. This is what you have. Sin x to the power log cos x. And if you just solve this first and second, so log cos x is going to be 1 by cos x, and cos x is going to be minus sin x. Okay. So this is what you have, plus log cos x 1 by sin x, and sin x is going to be cos x. Okay. So this is going to be the final answer of the question. Okay. So I think that it is clear to you. You don't have any doubt in this, and if you have, you can ask me. Okay. Let's take some other kind of problems, and these problems are very important. Let's suppose I am taking the next second problem, and problem is that x to the power m y to the power n equal to x plus y to power m plus n. Okay, and we have to find out the dy by dx of this type of this question. Okay, so let's try it. Now in this question, if you don't take log, then you can also solve. It's okay, not a big problem. But if you can take the log, it's really going to be very easy. Okay, so sometime you will have to take log, and sometime if you take log, it's going to be very easy. And how? Let's take the log. So log m, just like this is other thing, and this is other. So take log both side, and this will become log x, m will come this side, plus n log y equal to m plus n into log of x plus y. Okay, now let's differentiate with respect to x, and you will get m 1 by x plus n 1 by y and dy by dx. Okay, equal to m plus n, this is m. Okay, m plus n, uh, log x is, this is going to be 1 by x plus y multiply by 1 plus dy by dx. Okay, this is what we are getting. Now what you can do, this is dy by dx. Okay, this is dy by dx, so let's take it common, and you will get dy by dx is going to be n by y minus of m plus n by x plus y equal to m plus n by x plus y minus of m by x. Okay, and this is going to be m x and x minus mx minus m y divided by x dy by dx nx plus ny minus my minus ny divided by y times of x plus y equal to nx minus my divided by x x plus y and x plus y get cancelled, and here ny and these two get cancelled, nx minus my these two also get cancelled, and you will get what? You will get dy by dx equal to y by x, equal to y by x. Okay, and that is the answer. So please keep it in your mind that in the final answer you are getting what? There is no m and n, it is completely independent of uh, uh, m and n. Okay, independent of m and n. Okay, so there is no m and n. So here if I just take any value, like suppose that I'm just giving you other example how you can form a question. In place of m and n, you can take some other integer also. You can take 5, you can take here, you can take 10 and 15 here. So 10 plus 15 is what? 25. So in the similar way, they can change the value of m and n according to their choice, and at the end answer is coming y by x, not in terms of m and n. Okay, so this is completely independent of m and n. Keep in mind m and m plus n. Okay, so this is important question, and if you keep this result in your mind, that's really very helpful for you. Okay, let's take some other thing. And next question, and that is, let's take the next question, and next question is 3 y is equal to x to the power x to the power x to the power x to the power x and up to infinite times, and we have to find the dy by dx of this question. Okay, I told you many times when we have solved other questions also of this type, I told that this is x. Okay, observe the pattern where this is repeating x to the power x to the power x to the power x. So what you can do, just ignore 1x and remaining things again you can consider y also. Again you can consider y, because if you are ignoring one term this cannot affect it. Okay, so you can write like x to the power y. Now let's solve it. So how to solve? Take the log both side, and log y is equal to y log x. Okay, and 1 by y into dy by dx equal to dy by dx log x plus y log x is 1 by x. Now you can take dy by dx, take it outside, and this is going to be 1 by y minus log x equal to y by x. Okay, and this is going to be dy by dx equal to y by x into y times of 1 minus y log x. Okay, so this is your answer, y square upon x times of 1 minus y log x. Okay, so I think it is clear to you, and we can take one more problem that can also help us to think something deeply, and that can also help why we are using it. Okay, so take the question I'm taking, that is question number, let's suppose 4 is, I think 4 is the question number, and question is y to the power y is equal to 1 minus x square. Okay, 2x plus 3 to the power 1 by 2 divided by x square plus 2 to the power 2 by 3, and you have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 0. Okay, find dy by dx at x is equal to 0. So this question you can solve by f by g also, but that's going to be time consuming, so it's looking very lengthy terms. Okay, so if you can take log both sides, this will really make your solution very easy. So log y is equal to log of 1 minus x square 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 2x plus 3 minus 2 by 3 log of x square plus 2. Okay, so this is looking very easy to differentiate. Now let's differentiate it, and you will get 1 by y into dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 log of 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 1 by 2 1 by 2x plus 3 multiply by 2 minus 2 by 3 x square plus 2 and 2x. Okay, so this is what you are having. So keep in mind that it's looking very lengthy, so don't worry, we have to find the value of dy by dx at x is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0, and when you put x is equal to 0, let's put here also, here also, and here also. So what you will get? 0, this is also 0, this is also 0. So root 3, what is this? Root 3 and 1, and this is 2 power 2 by 3. So basically you will get dy by dx equal to x is 0, so root 3 upon 2 power 2 by 3, and this is what? This is going to be x is equal to 0. So this term is going to be what? 0, and this term is also going to be 0. 2 to get cancelled, 1 by 3, and x is equal to 0, so at the end this is going to be 0. So this is what you have your answer. So it is going to be 1 by root 3 and 2 power 2 by 3. So this is your answer. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, so please understand it, and if you have doubt you can again ask me. Okay, now let's take some other problem, and problem is not the problem. Okay, so problems are going to be very easy, not so much difficult of this topic. Just take the log both side, differentiate, if any particular points or value is given, put that and get the answer. Okay, now we are going for the next thing, and that is the just difference. I think it's Don't worry, we are going to start other thing, and that is differentiation. Differentiation of one function with respect to other function. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Differentiation of one function with respect to other function. Okay, so suppose that you have two functions, and I am saying first function is u. I am saying that is equal to fx, and v is also function like gx. Okay, and you have to find the derivative of fx with respect to, you can say, with respect to gx. Find the derivative of fx with respect to the gx. So you can say that I am saying that let's find the dfx by dgx. You have to find this. How you can do it? How you can do it? So one thing I suggest you that it is going to be just like du by dx. Du by dv is going to be df by dx divided by dg by dx. Okay, so these things you have to keep in mind. Okay, these things you have to keep in mind, and you can get your answer very easily. Okay, so now let's take one problem, and with the help of that problem it is going to be solved. Not so much difficult. Just take these two functions separately and differentiate with respect to the variable. Now let's take the first example, and you have to find the differentiate log sin x with respect to the root of cos x. We have to differentiate. So what do we have to do? We have to basically find out d log sin x, and with respect to the root cos x. Till now you have been listening that we are differentiating with respect to x or y or t or phi or any other parameter or any other variable. Here we have to find the value of this. What you can do? Just do d of dx log sin x divided by d of dx dd root cos x. Now it is very easy to solve. Log sin x is 1 by sin x, and it is cos x divided by 1 by root 1 by 2. Okay, cos x into, this is going to be minus sin x. Okay, so now if you solve it, cos x by sin x minus of 2 root cos x by sin x. Okay, minus 2 cos x, 1 plus 1 by 2 3 by 2 divided by sin square x, and that is the answer of this question. Okay, I think it is clear to you. If you want, you can convert into cot, cos x, sin, whatever you want, it's your choice, but that is also a type of answer. Okay, so let's take other problem, and problem number second, and that is you have to differentiate tan inverse. uh, we have already solved this kind of question. Okay, so take something different. Yeah, I don't take this. I am just telling you to take some other things, and that is the find the derivative of, okay, not this, derivative of f tan x with respect to g sec x at x is equal to pi by 4, given that f dash 1 equal to 2 and g dash root 2 equal to 4. Okay, so we have to find out the value of that. Okay, so please let's start this, and this is really very beautiful question, very very beautiful. So let's try it. Now derivative of f tan x d of this with respect to the d of g sec x. Okay, so we have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so you can say by divided by dx and divided by dx. So it is going to be f. First differentiate this, and that is going to be f dash tan x, and differentiation of tan x is what? Sec square x divided by g dash sec x into differentiation of sec x is what? Sec x into tan x. These two get cancelled, and it is also this is asking that x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so let's put pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is 1. So f dash 1, and this is going to what? Sec pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this is going to be root 2 divided by pi by 4. It is going to sec pi by 4 is root 2, and tan pi by 4, that is 1. Okay, so f dash 1, that is 2 multiplied by root 2, and g dash, this is going to be 4. Okay, so if you solve it, you will get root 2 by 2, which means 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is the answer of this question. Okay, so this was comparatively different question. So let's solve it. Okay, and let's take one more last problems, and that is going to be third number. Okay, so these questions are comparatively important. Please solve these questions. You can, with the help of this concept, you can solve the question of j mains also. Okay, as I am just giving the content of j mains from the different sources, and these sources is very reliable. So please take this very seriously, and whatever concept and theory I'm telling you, please read it carefully. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, but these are very solid and authentic content. F dash x is equal to tan x, g dash x is equal to sec x. Okay, so you have to find the value of limit x tending to 0 dy by dz upon x. Okay, so now what you can do, dy by dz, as you know that dy by dz, f dash g dash is also given. So yes, you can solve it. So let's find first dy by dz. So this is the question, and dy by dz, and dy by dz, how to find out it? So first you have to find dy by dx, and for dy by dx, dz by dx, and it is going to be what? It is going to be f dash x cube, and differentiation of x cube, that is 3x square, g dash x power 5 into 5x power 4. Okay, now what you can do, x tending to f dash x, what is this? F dash x, and this is going to be what? 3 by 5 x square. Okay, x square into f dash x cube, put here x cube, so it is going to be 10 x cube divided by g dash x power 5, that is sec x power 5. Okay, so this is what you have. Now limit, this is the value of this. Okay, this is the value of this whole thing. Now take it and put it here, put it here. What you will get? You will get limit, you can write in a second, just below this you can write. Okay, dy by dz, that is 3 by 5 10 x cube divided by x square into 1 by sec x power 5, and divide by this x also. Suppose that this is the x tending to 0. Keep in mind that when x tending to 0, sec 0 is what? That's going to be 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Tan x cube and x cube. Tan 0 by 0. Tan 0 by 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So 3 by 5. What is the answer? 3 by 5. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. Please understand it. And if you have doubt, you can ask me. And next important topic we will discuss in the next episode. Thank you so much.